So today we have a Fossil watch which needs battery replacement. Now these Fossil watches, they have a lot of different styles, and the styles are always coming in and coming out. You can get them at the Fossil store or online, and they're really inexpensive. So it's a really great deal. This isn't the original band. I switched that out. I took the band that it came with and put it on another watch. But in any event, this is a good, dependable, inexpensive watch. And again, we need to change out the battery, and very easy to do. This has a snap-off watch back. It's not a screw-on or anything like that. So yeah, real easy to do. So to take the watch back off this watch, and of course, as you can see, this isn't a screw-on. This is just a snap-off. There's a little notch. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. So I've got one of these tools, cheap, very cheap on Amazon or anywhere else. And I've actually already done it. I've already taken the back off of this. But all you have to do, if I hadn't, is you just put this tool under the notch and just pry it up, and that's it. So now, of course, before we can get to the battery, we have to remove this plastic surround watch movement holder. So just with my tweezers, I'm going to stick this in and lift that out. And then there's the battery. So the battery is held in place by this little metal holder here. These are metal tweezers. If this were a new battery, I wouldn't be holding the battery like this with metal tweezers on the plus and the minus at the same time. Okay, so now I'm going to put the new battery in. But now working. And since I touched that battery, I'm going to try to wipe it off a little bit. Now I want to reinstall this plastic watch movement holder back in there. Also kind of protects and holds the battery in. And next, is the watch back. Sometimes you can snap these on with your hands. Other times you have to use a watch back press to get these snap-on watch backs back in place. So I have a watch back press here, and there are different sizes, different watch back size inserts. Got one for the bottom here, so I'll screw that on. And got one for the top. Want to make sure that's lined up. And I think that's it. Done. Well, that wasn't too hard. Battery replacement for the Fossil model BQ2496. Again, Fossil watches are really inexpensive. They've got a variety of styles, and they're just great for the money. If you haven't already done so, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Those things help a lot. Take care. We'll see you next time.